Hello, art class. Now that you've learned about Pablo Picasso and Cubism, we're going to be creating our own Pablo Picasso faces using this roll of Picasso sheet. I will be posting a copy of this into the assignment. For this, you will need a sheet of roll of Picasso. You will need a blank piece of paper. I would suggest using a pencil. I'm going to be using pen so that it shows up clearer on the video. And you will also need your computer to roll a dice. I'll be sharing the link to the website where you can roll your dice. You'll just click on it to roll it. If you have time at the end of class to color in your faces, I suggest you have crayons or coloring pencils or markers to color in your Picasso faces. So here we go. Step 1. We are going to be folding our paper so that we have 4 different sections so we can create 4 different faces. So I'm first going to fold it in half the long way. Do a nice crease. And I'll open it up. I'm going to fold it again the other way. So now you can see we've got 4 equal spaces. All right, so now we need our roll of Picasso. We're going to be doing 5 rolls. The first one will be for the face shape. The second and third one will be for eyes, because we're going to do 2 eyes. If you decide you only want to do 1, that's fine too, but I'm going to be doing 2 different eyes. Fourth will be for the nose, and 5th will be for the mouth. So let's first roll our dice for our face shape. We got 3, so we're going to be drawing this face shape. Just do your best. It's okay if it's not perfect. There we go. We got our face. Now we're going to do our first eye. So I'll roll my dice. I got a 3 again. This is our first eye that we're going to use. It's got some big eyelashes. Big circle in the middle filled in. There we go. There's our first eye. Like I said, doesn't have to be perfect. Just do your best. Now for our second eye. Number 2. Let's look. Our number 2 eye is this one. I'm going to put this eye up a little higher so I have a little bit more space. Remember, this doesn't have to look like a real person. Picasso liked to create art that was abstract. All right, there's our second eye. Now we need to roll for the nose. We got a 3 again. Let's see. We're going to be putting this nose on there, number 3. If you notice though, our face shape already has a nose. But that's okay, because Picasso didn't care if there were too many noses. Our nose. And our last roll for this face is the mouth. Let's see what we get for the mouth. 4. And here is our 4. So we're going to be drawing this mouth. And as you can see again, we already had a mouth on this face shape, but that's okay. All right, let's see. And there is our Picasso-inspired face using our Roll a Picasso sheet. Now, if you would like, you can go ahead, you could draw hair, you could draw a hat, you could draw anything else you wanted in addition to what we have here. After you've done your 4 different faces, go ahead and add color to these. Picasso loved color. So have some fun with this. Don't take it too seriously. It's okay if it doesn't look like a real person that you might see in real life. And I can't wait to see your creations. Bye, everybody.